normal day in Miami.
I'm on the 26th floor at the Trump International Hotel. It's the view from the 26th floor. I'm gonna go check in our room. $26.10. Let's go get in and see what's going on. Very nice, very big. We got 2 beds. The lighting's very dim, but overall good. Try to get some light. Got an amazing view. See what else is going on. They give you a menu of things to eat throughout the day. Breakfast, all day dining. Let's see, I don't know if I can focus the prices. Okay. Wine selection, dinner. Pretty good selection for dinner. Very cool. Couple magazines that they give you. Wi-Fi, which is important when visiting. Couple letters. A snack bar. Very nice. Nice touch. Everything's pricey though. Then you got a little mini bar. Microwave. Home Beach collection, just some wine, some vase. Everything has a price associated to it. Nice glasses. Nice selection of drinks. Very cool liquor. Let's check out the bathroom. Nice little Trump International Beach Resort bathrobe. Very cool. Shower. Oh, and they have a tub. Very nice.